learn about the alphabet. 26 letters, that's it. Let's learn about the alphabet. Let's learn about the letter J. J.
Hello, middle class. How are you today? Are you fine? I'm also fine. My name is Teacher Vivian. Okay, today I'm going to give you a good story. A good story. Once upon a time, there was Mommy and her daughter. Do you know that daughter's name? She was called Jaira. Everyone say Jaira. Jaira and her mommy wanted to make a jelly. They wanted to make a jelly. What did they want to make? A jelly. So when they made a jelly, they put it on a plate and they even wanted to take it to the table. As they were taking it to the table, the jelly wobbled and wobbled. Oh my God, the girl laughed. Do you know that girl who laughed? She was called Jasmine. She laughed and pretending to wobble like a jelly. Do you know what she was doing? She was making a sound saying j, 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 j. Everyone say it. J, j, j. Again. J, j, j. Again. J, j, j. Very good. And today we are looking at the sound here. Do you all see? Everyone look here. The sound says j. Everyone say it. J. Again. J. Again. J. Wow. And this sound has got a song. Has got a what? A song. It has got a song. The song says, jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. Again, jelly and jam, jiggle on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. Have you heard? Is it nice? Wow, I love that. Okay, now this sound here has got friends. Has got friends. Do you like to see those friends? All right, I'm going to show you the friends. Okay. The first friend is here. Do you all see? Everyone say jet. Again, jet. This jet says j. Do you hear that sound j? It is here. It says j. Jet. All of you. J. Jet. Again, j. Jet. That's why it is a friend to sound j. Are we together? It also has another friend. It also has another friend. Here is another friend. The friend is jug. Everyone say jug. It says j, j, jug. Again, j, j, jug. The reason why it is a friend to sound j, because it has got this sound here. Okay, do you all see the sound? Yeah, it says j, jug. Everyone, j, jug. Yes. I also have another friend here. When you look down here, there is jacket. Everyone say jacket. It says j, jacket. Again, j, jacket. All of you, j, jacket. Okay? The jacket is here. It is also a friend to sound j. Okay. Hello, good children. This sound here, it is written like this. Let me first write it. When we are writing this sound, we write a long standing stick and a tail, then a dot up. Can we write together? A long standing stick and a tail, then a dot up. Again, a long standing stick and a tail, then dot up. Thank you so much. I love you.